So Florian just packed the new ZIEH-FIX set, the basic one. Just let us destroy the packaging directly so we can check how it looks. Don't want to destroy the packaging completely. So this is a new basic set, which will just have the ZIEH-FIX itself inside, as well as some tension tools, some needles, so you can directly get started. Missing is a charger, but this is intentionally, so we don't need to supply a charger for US, for UK, for European Union. As the ZIEH-FIX is charged by micro USB, normally everyone has already a charger or can get a charger very cheap from Amazon or any electronic store. On top of it, we have on the back a QR code and an URL for the manual. So that is basically the basic package which we will going to sell now, as well to our normal big cases. But we got asked to do a small set as well. Also, as we're doing the video, I want to address a few questions I get asked quite often. One of the questions I get asked very often is, why can't I change the battery, why it's completely inside? So this is basically because when we tested the device, we actually thought about doing a changeable battery system, because it's actually cheaper to manufacture it this way than to put all the electronics inside to secure the battery. But we found out that this interchangeable system will reduce the power by roughly 10%, which in exchange we thought, okay, then we will build the battery directly inside, have more power, have more opening successes, and therefore we introduced the charging electronics, the discharging electronics, so it can't be completely depleted, so the battery will last as long as possible. So, and if there are any more questions regarding the device, the packaging or anything, just put them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.